Hi guys, it's Kaylee Hoffman here with Stella at Country Diesels to bring you another edition of our Pick of the Week with one of our hottest trucks on our lot. An immaculate one-owner 2016 2500 Laramie with the Sport Appearance package. Now let's start off with the factory options on this truck. It's a Laramie Sport, which includes the following options: smoked out headlights, color matched grille, fender flares, handles, and bumpers. It's a 6.7 Cummins diesel engine matched with a 6-speed G56 manual transmission, heated and cooled leather front seats, navigation with the rear view backup camera, and much more. As a Country Diesels custom truck, this truck has the following performance upgrades: fully deleted with straight piped exhaust, CAT DPF delete, EGR delete, PPEI EFI live, a dual disc clutch, aftermarket head studs and fuel system. We also added a brand new front leveling kit and these 22x12 American Force Blade SS polished aluminum wheels, wrapped in 35-inch Knitter Ridge Grappler tires. This truck also includes a fifth wheel gooseneck prep package with the auxiliary upfitter switches. So come on down to Warrenton today to see this truck for yourself. Country Diesels is proudly part of the Country Auto Group. As a result, we have the benefit of stellar lending options and also happily accept trade-ins. Follow Country Diesels on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates of our inventory in your news feeds. Be sure to follow the Country Auto Group on YouTube for more videos like these. Country Diesels, where big city selection meets small town hospitality.